everyone, you're welcome back to our channel. If you are new on this channel, you are absolutely welcome. You are the most important person. Please take your seats on the high table. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Please, if you are here to subscribe and you are new, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell beside it. That will get you notified whenever we upload a new video. Yes, I am Abiola and I am with the Guards family. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something that is interesting, that will help you during this period. I got to know about this some time ago, so I said let me come and share it with you guys to also help you to get through this period, to also take precautions. Yes, I could remember like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, my boy just ran to me. I was like, "Mommy, something hot." I said, "What?" Wait. Said in the throat, and I said, "Oh wow, please don't bring that." I'm not in for that this time. So I just thought of what to do, and then there is this grass, lemongrass. You all know lemongrass. When you perceive it, it smells like lemon. So we have it in front of our apartment. So I went there, I took some, and I did all of these things. I told him to sniff it, then he did, and I also made sure everyone in the family did the same thing. So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. But before I show you the video of how I made it, I want to tell you a little about lemongrass, give you some information that will be useful, so that you will know what lemongrass is all about and how you can use it safely. So let me tell you a little about lemongrass. I went online, I did my research on lemongrass, and I wanted to be sure if it's actually safe to inhale, to drink, and to do some other stuff. So I stumbled at a website where I got to know. They said lemongrass. I'm reading from my phone right now, so if you see me looking down, so I want to read some few things out to you so that you can be sure that you are doing the right thing. So in the website, what I saw is lemongrass is likely safe for most people when used in fluid amounts. It is safe, possibly safe, when taken by mouth, applied to the skin, or inhaled as aromatherapy, short-term for medicinal purpose. Rarely, lemongrass oil might cause a rash of skin irritation when applied to the skin. So our own use is for inhaling. So I want to be sure if it's inhaled, it's good for the health, and they said it's safe to some extent when it is not too much. And I also read from somewhere, I can't find the website now, I also read from somewhere that when you inhale it, it can help decongest your chest, can help reduce inflammation and all of those good stuff. So I said let me try this lemongrass. But as you can hear, they said in short term and in food amounts, that is in little quantity, it's not dangerous. There are some that even do drink it. I know of some people that will come around, get the lemongrass, they want to use it to make tea and drink. Also good, because when I read ahead, I can see that drinking it is also medicinal, but be sure you are drinking in the right quantity. So this is my little research on lemongrass. I said I should come and share with you guys. This may be also useful for you. So how I did this was to just go to the front of our apartment, cut some lemongrass with a knife, then I added some water inside a big pot. And I now added some other things like ginger, the lemon with the peel, and the lemon fruit itself with the peel. Then I added garlic. Then I just open it up for it to boil for some minutes. Then after then I just bring this out, I put it on the table. Obviously I'll put it on the table and not elsewhere, so I put it on the table. I make sure that everybody is set to just do this, and it's not good for children under 2 years, as I read. So my 2 boys, I mean the older one, the first one is 4 years and the second one will be turning 3 years, so it's over the year of 2. So I called them, I made sure they sat on the table, and I did not use a towel to cover their head because I don't want them to be scared, like, oh, what is this, and I don't want any accident. So I was just very careful in doing that. So I just said, put your head on it, and they did. Then I called the other boy too, and he also did. Their dad did it. He was covering his head with a towel. I also did by covering myself with a towel, then trying to sniff it so that whatever might be in our lungs or whatever congestion that we might have, we just, I don't know how it will work, but science knows that. I know it will work. I really enjoy just inhaling it. It's like soothing to my chest when I did that, and even Obi also said it's soothing. So this is what I have come to share with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Please, if you try it, do tag us on Instagram at the Guards Family. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, as I said, do well to subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful, and share with someone to also inspire. Thank you so much for watching. Really love you guys, for our returning subscriber that keeps coming back all the time. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So this is where we end the video for today. Just thank you. You can't just appreciate it enough. As I said, if you're here to subscribe, like, share, and do all of those good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye, and stay safe.
the last, yeah.
We don't know.